Got a recurring bill coming up with Westpac and dreading the manual payment dance every single time? What if I told you there's a way to set it and forget it, freeing up your mental energy and ensuring you never miss a payment again? We all know the drill: the monthly rent, the phone bill, that gym membership you swear you're going to use more often. Each one a tiny mental note, a potential late fee waiting to happen if life gets in the way. But with Westpac's automatic payment feature, those worries can become a thing of the past. Imagine a world where your essential bills are handled seamlessly, leaving you more time to focus on the things that truly matter, like perfecting your sourdough starter, finally organizing that overflowing inbox, or, just relaxing. Today, we're going to walk through the incredibly simple steps to set up automatic payments with Westpac. No more calendar reminders, no more last-minute scrambles. Just pure, unadulterated financial zen. First things first, you'll need to log into your Westpac online banking. If you haven't done this before, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts on the Westpac website to set up your online access. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Pay and Transfers section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it's usually pretty intuitive. Next, you'll be looking for an option related to scheduled payments or automatic payments. This is where the magic happens. Click on that. Now, you'll need to specify the details of the payment. This includes the recipient's account details, their BSB, and account number. Double-check these. A small error here can send your money to the wrong place, and nobody wants that headache. Then, you'll enter the amount you want to pay. Is it a fixed amount each time, like your Netflix subscription, or does it vary, like a credit card payment where you only want to pay the minimum or full balance? For fixed payments, simply enter the amount. For variable payments, you might have options like pay full balance or pay minimum. Now comes the crucial part, the frequency. This is where you tell Westpac how often you want this payment to occur. Weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, annually, Westpac offers a range of options to suit almost any billing cycle. Select the one that matches your bill. Finally, you'll choose the start date for your automatic payment. You can also set an end date if the payment is for a limited period, or leave it open-ended for ongoing expenses. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. Make sure the recipient, amount, frequency, and dates are all correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the payment. Westpac will usually send you a confirmation message either through online banking or via email, letting you know your automatic payment has been successfully set up. And that's it. You've just automated a recurring bill. You can view, modify, or cancel your automatic payments at any time through the same online banking portal. It's flexible, it's convenient, and it's a game changer for managing your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.